welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, we are going to be making some chicken parmesan. So we are going to need some flour, some breadcrumbs, I have some parmesan cheese here, some sugar, some onions, some garlic, some thin chicken breast, or you can do regular chicken breast and pound it out, that's up to you. I have some egg wash, I have some crushed, what is this, y'all? I have some crushed tomatoes. They were diced, but I needed crushed. I wasn't going out to the store, so what I did is I just put them in my blender just for a second. And then we're gonna need some parsley flakes, some pink Himalayan salt, some onion and herb, Old Bay, and olive oil. Now, this sauce right here, you guys, is going to be made from scratch. This marinara, I am not using a jar, so we're going to make the marinara from scratch. Let's get it. Okay, y'all, so let's get the party started. So we're going to start with the marinara. I mean, not marinara yet. The crushed tomatoes, y'all. And y'all be smart. Don't use all these dishes that I have right now that I'm using. I am so crazy today. It don't even make sense. Do not use all these dishes. I am just doing it for my creators. All right. So we have that in there. And this is going to be marinating for a while. Okay, let's start, you guys. So, gonna put your onions in. Gonna put your onions in. Daniel says hello, y'all. So we're going to want to saute the onions. Then I have my garlic. Put my garlic in there. This sauce is going to be cooking, like simmering for a little bit, y'all. Y'all can do the jar if you want to, but I like to do stuff from scratch because it's so easy. That's totally up to you guys, though. No shame in that if you don't have time to do this. But I feel like it only takes 10 minutes more. Okay? So just put a little bit of your olive oil in there. How y'all doing on this blessed Sunday? I don't know what day y'all gonna get this, but today is Sunday. And I went to church. And it was so nice. It was a baptism. And it was really good, y'all. And I love the word that I received today. It was just, you know, talking about having your name written in the book of heaven. And just to keep your spiritual faith going. Okay? Just a little word for y'all today. So we're going to saute these onions, I say for about 5 minutes or so. I'm not going to put too much seasoning in there because I'm going to be seasoning the tomatoes. God, I love that I'm making this sauce from scratch. This is going to be so awesome and so scrumptious. So, a lot of people use, what do a lot of people use? Don't drop stuff, y'all. A lot of people use oregano and stuff. I'm just going to be doing basil. I don't have any oregano, I don't think. I didn't look, and I don't think we have any, so it's going to be what it is today. I'm not going back out. So, saute these onions up. So I'm gonna caramelize them and then I'm gonna see y'all right back. Okay, y'all, so the onions are nice and caramelized. So I'm going to go ahead and add them into my sauce. My tomatoes. Sauce, yeah, but they tomatoes. So go ahead and add them in. Okay. Come back here. And I have water boiling as well. At the same time, y'all, I forgot to tell you, if you want pasta over this or under this, you can do this as well, but you can just do the regular chicken breast if you like. But I have my onions in there. I'm gonna put in some sugar. Yep. This is going to be, it's going to definitely be over some leftover marinara sauce, you guys. I'm just going to freeze it. I love that it's homemade. Yes. You always want to eat when I'm doing the video, y'all. There you go. Thank you. Okay. So it's going to be some leftover, so I'm definitely going to freeze it because I'm going to be so happy. Well, I am so happy that this is a from scratch marinara sauce. So put some parsley in there. You guys, you're going to want to let this simmer for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So this is why I am doing the sauce before I even start my chicken breast. It's just smarter to do it this way. Put a little bit of salt in there, Himalayan salt. Hit it one time. Himalayan salt. Okay. And you see how mine is chunky, y'all? You can do it less chunky if you want. I just like the chunky sauce. I love chunky pasta sauce. So we're gonna go ahead and let that simmer, and then we're gonna get started on the chicken. Okay, so my breadcrumbs, y'all, I'm just gonna put a little bit of that Parmesan cheese in there. Mix it up so it can be a part of your breadcrumb mix. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and bread this chicken up. So you wanna dip it in your egg wash. Hope you guys can see all of this. Put it in your egg wash. And then after we put it in your egg wash, we're going to put some flour on it. Okay. Then we're going to put it back in the egg wash. And after we put it in the egg wash, from the egg wash to the breadcrumbs. Okay. And make sure that you get all of your chicken breaded, because that's the biggest part of Parmesan cheese. Okay, you guys? I swear, y'all, Daniel knows when I'm recording. He just wants to be loud and loud. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and coat every piece of chicken like this. And then we're going to get ready to fry them. Okay, y'all, so I just wanted to check in with you and show you this sauce. It's been about 15 minutes now, and that's how the sauce looks. I'm just gonna let it continue to simmer until we are ready to put it on top of our chicken. I forgot, you guys, we're also gonna need some mozzarella cheese to put on the top, or provolone, whatever your preference is. I always forget one ingredient, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we're ready for the chicken. I have my grease here with my same onion pan, and then I breaded all of the chickens. These are pretty big pieces, so I think what I'm going to do is just cook one piece at a time, because I don't want the chickens to be all smushed up or whatever. So we're going to cook this, I say about 5 or 6 minutes on each side, and have your heat on low so your crust does not burn. Okay, you guys, so this is how it's going to look. I'm also going to bake all of them in the oven on 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Looking good, y'all. Okay, my creators, so I took the chicken out. Don't have it in there for too long. Like I said, about 10 minutes or so. You don't want to cook all your juices out your chicken. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and put on our sauce. and put more or less sauce. It's totally up to you. I hope you guys are having a great day. I don't know if I wish y'all a great day or not, but I hope y'all having a good one. Okay. I guess the difference between marinara and spaghetti sauce, the marinara is a little chunkier than pasta sauce. I hope that's right. If not, then oh well. That's what I think of it. Okay. So there we are with that. And then the fun part is the mozzarella cheese. Now put more or less. Again, you guys, I think I'm going to just make sure that each piece is covered with cheese. Okay? And also, you guys, be sure to put this back in the oven, of course. And when you do, you can either do broil or you can do regular bake. I am going to do broil, and I'm going to do broil for about like maybe 2 minutes or so. Not too long because you don't want it to burn, but I want it to have a nice melty press to it. Okay. Ready, y'all. Guys. Okay, so I'm gonna boil it, and okay, my creators, and here it is, chicken parmesan. That looks so good, y'all. I cannot be more thankful for how this turned out. So let's go ahead and plate it up. Okay, let's go ahead and place this up. Get you a little bit of the spaghetti noodles. Okay, I'm just gonna make a bed, kinda. Okay. Right in the middle there. And if you want, you can put some extra marinara just around there. You know, just to make it look a little fancy or whatnot. I'm telling you, you guys, it's so easy to cook at home. It's not hard at all. It just takes time and patience, and it's rewarding, as I say in every video, y'all. Okay. Alright. So, I think that is a done deal. You guys, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let your girl know in the comments below what to make next. Until next time, my creators, continue to believe in yourself and create that vision. Have a good one.